All right, g'day guys. We are down here at Mount Barker Ford. Obviously, I've been driving around an F-150 for, last 3 months. And I think I've put 15,000 Ks on it. So, and that is thanks to Mount Barker Ford, obviously. And they've got something new in here for me. So we're gonna go in and check it out. It's undercover. I don't know what it is yet. So I actually don't know what it is. So I'm a little bit nervous of something bright. But anyway, pretty excited. So new car day. So let's go check it out.
G'day, Charlie. How are you?
Good, thanks. What's going on?
Oh, not much, mate. So,
That's a go. Oh, new car day.
New car day.
New car
absolutely.
day. Something over there. So
yes.
we'll see how we go.
Special under there. So
yeah. All right, we'll go have a look. This is Sean, by the way, guys.
How you going, guys?
He looked after me in the last F-150 changeover. So we're going to go have a look at this now.
Yes.
Right.
So we covered her up for you.
Yeah.
And put a bow on there.
And a bow.
Everyone gets a bow.
Everyone gets a bow. Even
Yeah.
I get a bow.
Absolutely.
That's good.
Alrighty.
It was going to be bright. Bloody hell. Orange is right.
Yeah.
Match the mini truck.
Anyway.
Match the mini truck I got at home. Holy shit. This is awesome. I actually haven't even sat in one of these before. A Ranger Raptor, so if anyone didn't know. Yeah, right.
Bit smaller than what you just jumped out of.
A little bit, but still got enough room in here.
There's plenty of space.
Seat back.
We got the code orange on the outside.
And then you got the accents in here as well.
Yep.
I fit. Absolutely. Wow, the leather's nice, hey? This is awesome. It's a little bit smaller than the F-150, but this is a little bit more of a performance vehicle, isn't it?
Absolutely. Do you want to start her up?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Do we want to close their door just in case they're...
I'll do that.
I think it is. This is wild though. Yeah. I've actually never been in one of these, even like one of the new Rangers. So I'll grab that one. And so start buttons over here. Yeah, right. So it's petrol, right, isn't it? That's a big screen too. Okay.
So far, so good?
So far, so good.
Yeah. Beautiful.
I'm very much liking this.
Yeah.
How do I look in it, Ollie?
Sorry?
How do I look in it?
Big.
Something different, oh. You got phone charger and stuff there.
Yeah. It's got all your wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.
Yep.
Your built-in navigation. Best thing about it is that twin turbo 3-litre V6 petrol engine.
Yep.
That is absolutely unreal. Now, best feature is chucking it in sports mode.
In sports
Changes
mode.
the complete drive of the car.
Yeah, right. There you go. There's sport. I reckon we'll just be... Yeah, absolutely. How you doing, guys? What's going on? You getting a car today as well?
How cool is that?
Yeah. Well, I can jump out now. I don't have much else on today, so we can do it now. That's all right. Yeah, absolutely. How you doing? First game Friday night.
That's right.
So yeah, a little bit nervous actually. Jump in. Yes. How's that? Oh, that they are. Bloody hell. All after. What do we got in here? Still fit the bikes in here, I reckon.
You reckon?
That's the main thing now. That I'm a mountain biker and dirt bike rider and stuff, now. And play footy occasionally. No, first game this weekend. And all these all tie-down points, are they? Or what are they?
So they're pre-drill bolt holes. So you put a canopy on there. You don't actually have to drill through the body. It's already there, ready to go for you.
That's a go. Yeah, I suppose we better go drive it then.
It's the best part of it.
I know, right?
It's the best part. Absolutely.
All right, let's do it.
Raptor, performance vehicle.
Yeah.
All right, so 292 kilowatts, 583 newton meters of torque.
Yeah.
That's all paired with a 10-speed transmission.
Mm-hmm.
So it makes it seamless to drive.
Absolutely.
A few different preset drive modes. So if you're taking it around the property, we can just put it on in mud mode.
Mud mode.
All right, so that's going to change how the vehicle will perform off-road.
Yeah.
And it saves you having to change anything yourself. It will just do it all automatically for you.
So that's
4A, so
4A.
full-time, full drive.
Yeah, right.
Alrighty.
That's a go.
Now, you can fully customise your own Raptor mode as well.
Raptor mode.
So you can change your steering, your dampers, and your exhaust.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so if you don't want to wake any neighbours, you probably don't have many around where you are, but yeah, you can put it in quiet mode if you needed to around the city or anything like that. But
right.
One of the best features, especially living in the hills, is the heated seats.
Yeah.
All right, so you do get heated seats as well.
Well, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Heated seats.
Yeah, need that in the hills.
All right.
But
then the driver modes, the Baja.
So the Baja will absolutely maximise the performance off-road.
Okay. So it's full low. Wow.
Yeah.
No, we want to go the Baja.
The Baja.
Okay.
And the exhaust does sound a bit different.
I just heard it change, yeah. And traction control is off, but you're not allowed to turn them off, so we won't be doing that driver mode. Well, I need to reverse a little bit here and then sport mode.
Yeah.
That seems like a normal one, doesn't it?
Yeah. And it puts it in full-time, full drive as well.
Okay.
It does unleash the performance side of it if you put it in sports mode.
That's wild that like the four-wheel drive system can handle like just all the power all the time.
Yeah, it's pretty incredible what they've done with these vehicles. So,
all right.
Yeah, complete performance car. So we'll do it all for you.
Performance car. And that's what we're all about. Speed and power.
Yeah.
Jeremy Clarkson says it well.
Speed and power.
Speed and power. Well, we may as well go and test this speed and power.
Absolutely.
To the speed limit, of course. But thank you, mate.
That's right.
Appreciate that.
Welcome, mate. And we'll see you next time.
We will.